What's up, guys? Just wanted to talk to you real quick about these AirTags. These are one of my favorite products because I have a huge issue with losing things, especially keys. And as you can see, I'm living and working out of my converted van right now. I've been doing it full time for the past 4 years or so. So keeping all my stuff together is really helpful. I'm about to go snowboard Panorama Mountain out here in British Columbia, and I'm gonna have an AirTag on my stuff because that could be a really big mess to deal with during the day if I lose my keys. The AirTag interface is also one of my favorite parts of this product. It allows you to really easily name and tag each product that you want to keep track of. So I have some in my backpacks, I have some on my keys, I have them on a lot of different things that I own, just so I can kind of keep track of what's going on. Also for travel, these are so helpful. I shipped my snowboard to Europe last year, and just throw one of these in there and it allows you to always keep track of your luggage while you're traveling. Really handy. I would highly recommend this. Also, the battery life is absolutely insane. Like, I only replace these probably once every 9 months or so, so they just work for a really long time without having to deal with any issues with them. So in the end, if you're looking for a really nice way to keep track of all your stuff, I would highly recommend these. These work really well for me. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.